Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to restrict someone in Instagram. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application. On your application, you have to search for that person who you want to restrict. For example, I will be using this account. So first of all, you have to click on the three dots that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to select restrict. By doing this, as you can see, I have successfully restricted this account on Instagram. You have to keep one thing in mind that once you restrict that account, you won't be able to view any of their posts or stories. Furthermore, you can't receive messages from them or even message them. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.